الحمد لله رب العالمين والصلاة والسلام على أشرف الأنبياء والمرسلين سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وأصحابه ومن تبعهم بإحسان إلى يوم الدين وبعد. Brothers and sisters, how are you today?
I'm fine. I'm fine.
Okay, how many you are in this group? Do you hear me?
Yes.
Okay, how many you are in this group?
11 or 10. 10 or 11.
Okay, 10 or 11, it is good. Um, okay, based on the class taken last week, okay, as informed by the coordinator of this group, which is Dr. Nur Asia, you have task, isn't it? Do you have task?
No,
Hmm?
no.
Oh,
Oh, you uh, don't have any task. Last week, it is first class for you, isn't it?
yes.
So, uh, what subject you studied last week?
Introduction.
Or just introduction, yeah?
Yes. About the
Hmm,
subject.
just introduction. Introduction about what?
Introduction about
About research,
uh,
the meaning of research.
Ah,
research and the point below it.
okay. Can you see the slide?
Yes. You can see.
Okay. I is it the same slide you studied last week or different?
Mm,
Hmm?
uh,
Yes,
yes.
same.
Same.
Ah, because the who is your lecturer in the class kuliah?
Dr. Tazul Islam.
Oh, Dr. Tajul Islam. Uh, didn't he inform you that every single week you have tasks?
No,
No.
And these tasks will be discussed in the class tutor,
Oh,
meaning that class tutor will be based on the tasks given to you all in the previous class kuliah. Okay, so I hope you all inform Dr. Tazul. Okay, ingatkan dia, asking him, where is the tax for us, Dr. Tazul, and this tax will be discussed in the class tutorial next week. Okay. because it is the information from the coordinator of this it is this subject, and we all as lecturers agree, okay, with this decision. Okay, do you see? Take home
Indeed.
exercise. Do you hear me?
Yes, yes.
It is actually you can see,
Yes.
Yes.
it is actually your homework, and this task will be discussed in this class 2 with me. Okay. Okay, never mind. Never mind. This week, okay, today we are not going to discuss this homework because Dr. Tazul didn't inform you. But in the next week, I hope if Dr. Tazul forget to inform you about the home exercise, okay, because this home exercise actually you can find it in every single slide, at the last line. At the last line, there is a homework exercise. Okay, so if please take note, yeah. If Dr. Tazul as a lecture for you did not inform you or doesn't inform you, you should ask him. Dr. Tazul, according to the coordinator, we have exercise in every single week, and the exercise at the last slide. Macam tu ya? Do you understand?
Yes. Understand.
Okay, so we can discuss it in our class 2 tong. Okay, tak apalah. Okay. Jadi kalau macam tu, I just ask you what had been studied last week, yeah. Okay. According to you all, okay. I ask you and you answer me, yeah. What part of topic, yeah, you studied last week very interesting,
Very
and why? Please, anybody can answer, yeah, and we will discuss it, yeah.
interesting. Introduction about the
Okay.
where the word research comes from.
Oh, the word research. Where does the word research come from? Okay. Why this part very interesting to you?
Because we know the actual place or the actual place the word research comes from. Usually we hear the word research from English word.
Yes.
And then we know from this slide, we know the word research that comes from the French word.
French word.
The old French word.
French word.
The old French word.
What is it? Research in French. What is it?
Re, 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 res, he divide into two parts. Research, RE one part, search one part.
Yes.
Research and searcher. Search in French word means searcher. Then we combine these two, and it means research or researcher. And finally, it converts to English word, becomes research. That's all.
Okay, but don't you think that research also comes from the Al-Quran itself?
Research. In Arabic language. Yeah.
Okay, research in Arabic. In Arabic, what is it?
Bahas.
Bahas. The word bahas, does it exist in the Quran?
Does it? Does it? Did
it doesn't, eh?
Yes.
It doesn't. Okay. Even though the word of al-bahthu, which is research in English, doesn't exist in the Quran, but some verses in the Quran provoke us to do research. Ask us to do research.
Yes.
Isn't it?
Yes.
Okay. So, can you tell us some verses linked to the research?
Research.
What verses?
In surah Allah said, أفلا ينظرون إلى الإبل كيف خلقت.
وإلى السماء
كيف رفعت.
كيف رفعت وإلى الجبال
كيف نصبت.
كيف نصبت وإلى الأرض كيف سطحت. أفلا in the Quran. Okay, in Arabic grammar, so called by harfu tahdid. Okay, the tool, Arabic tool, provoke us to do things. Okay, afala yansurun, provoke us to look at everything surrounding us. Okay, in order to get knowledge, to get benefit. Yeah, kan?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Okay, good. You are Ahmad Izzuddin, isn't it? Okay.
Yes.
Where are you come from? Where do you come from?
Kelantan.
Oh, Kelantan. Okay. Malay original, yeah?
Yes, Malay origin.
Okay. You are in APQS?
Yes, APKS.
Okay. What year?
Third year.
Oh, third year. Good. Okay. 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 Thank you, Ahmad. Ahmad okay, has explained to us the very interesting part according to him, and the reason why. And so I invite others to answer the same question, telling us what is the most interesting part according to him in the topic learned yesterday. and the reason why. Okay, please. Selain Ahmad, siapa lagi? Okay, Abang Muhammad Adib. Do you hear me, Abang?
Yes.
Okay. What is the most interesting part of topic you learned last week with Dr. Tajuk?
There are many type of
Hmm?
there are many type of examples that
Hmm.
relate to the research meanings.
Related to the research manage. Okay.
And and the type of the research that explain to us.
Okay. So many more, yeah, interesting part according to you. Okay. Let us focus to the management and in the research. Okay, management in the research. Can you tell us briefly what kind of management required in the research? Abang, do you understand?
Yes.
Okay.
Management, like you manage how to make an conclusion, how to make an experiment about something that you want to do a research.
Mm-hmm.
And you make a managing how you know a difference between a subject that you want to do a research and the subject that you want to do an investigation
Mm-hmm.
about the kind of the research.
Okay. So, a management is required in the single part of research. Okay. Cover everything from A to Z. Can you tell us briefly what kind of management required in making conclusion of the research? Can you tell us briefly, step by step, how to make a conclusion of the research? Abang?
You must have a topic you want to do a research.
Mm-hmm.
Then you must restate the thesis or the subject that you want to do a research. Then you summarize. Then you state a significance and a results. And lastly, you conclude your opinion or your thought.
Okay, thank you, Abang. Very organized. Okay, you organize your answer. Okay, the way you manage your research, the way you make a conclusion for your research. It is good, Abang. Okay, moving to Mariam. Are you here, Mariam? Mariam. Mariam.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. The same question goes to you, Mariam. What is the most interesting part in the topic? Okay, you learned last week with Dr. Tajul, and the reason why. Please, Mariam. Mariam.
Yes.
Okay, before you before continuing asking you, nak tanya dulu abang. Abang dari mana tadi abang ya?
Dari mana?
Ah.
Dari Kuching.
Oh, Sarawak.
Ah.
Oh, engkau PU Malay ke atau campuran?
Pure.
Oh, PU Malay ya. Okay. Okay. Time for Mariam.
Research is to investigate and review and explore.
Yeah. Investigate. Because if you do research, you actually acting as investigator. Betul tak?
Yes.
Betul tak?
Betul.
Investigator means many things. Okay?
Yes.
You identify, you analyze, you study, you manage, you conclude, means many things. Okay, so what kind of investigation, according to you, very interesting?
To finding solution.
To finding solution, yes. Because if you do research, you will face many obstacles. Yeah, many problems. And as a researcher, as an investigator, you should solve these problems one by one.
Yes.
Okay, can you tell us one sample of problem in research and how do you solve it?
Simple. They must having something missing, so I need to investigate to know why.
Okay, actually, problem of research, it depends on the type of research you do. Ya kan?
Yes. Betul.
Dia cakap betul Mariam. Okeylah Mariam. Okay Mariam, thank you Mariam. Mariam dari mana?
Mariam dari Selangor, Shah Alam.
Oh, dekat je.
Dekat je.
Oh, kau tak main ke USIM?
Oh, tak lah. Tak.
Okeylah. Okay, thank you Mariam. Muhammad Iqbal. Are you here, Muhammad Iqbal?
Yes.
Okay. Do you know me before?
Actually, I don't know you.
Oh, you don't know me, oh kasihan lah aku. Okay, I don't know you also. Okay, Muhammad Iqbal. So we know each other lah, yeah. Alhamdulillah. Okay, Iqbal. The same question goes to you. Please, Iqbal.
In
Hmm.
sorry, Doctor, what's the question again?
Huh?
The question again?
What is the most interesting part in the topic you learned last week?
Last week. Um, last week, I think the best topic that I have learned is how to find the how to find the how to find the information to make our research.
Okay, how to find the information? Yes. Without information, you can do anything. Betul tak?
Yes.
Okay. Every day we rely on information. Without information of our course, without information about our activities, we don't know what kind activity we can do. So, how do you take an information in your research? Iqbal?
If I need to refer for the some of the old thesis, or I get my information from the old thesis or the dissertation. Usually, I surf the website like ProQuest.
Yes. Actually, many ways to take information regarding the research that we do. So it depends on the type of research you do. Okay, sometimes we need newspaper, articles published in the journal. Okay, interview with the expert. Okay, so many ways. It depends on the research you do. Okay, Iqbal, you dari mana Iqbal?
Saya dari Pahang.
Oh, Pahang. Oke. Sekarang Pahang negeri emas ya. Sungai dia banyak emas, betul ke?
Betul, dekat Kuala Lipis.
Kau dekat dengan Kuala itu ya? Kuala Lipis.
Jauh.
Agak jauh. Oh, oke. Kau pernah ke sungai itu ke?
Tak pernah lagi.
Oh, tak pernah lagi. Oke. Tak apalah. Boleh je jalan-jalan ke sana. Oke, thank you. Iqbal, kau pure Malay atau campuran?
Pure Malay.
Oke, terima kasih Iqbal. No, Mustaqim. Mustaqim, are you here?
Yes, I hear you, Doctor.
Okay, I think you know the question, yeah? You take it a question in your concern. So please answer the question.
From lecture with Usbu Al-Mahdi, I know that not all we read is research, because research must have, for example, investigation, analysis, and Rivident,
Mm.
and others. That means research more complete from just we read.
So what is the interesting part in the research?
Research must have data.
Data. Data, a big data. Everything is about data. Betul tak?
Betul.
If you don't have any data, please leave it research. Okay, research is nothing without data. Okay, people today is discussing about a big data. Yeah. But data is one part. But the most important part in the data, the way you read data, the way you analyze data, the way you explain the data. It is the most interesting part in the data. Having data only and you can read it, nothing. Doesn't mean anything. You should be able to read your data, explain, and analyze the data. It is the way you come with the result. Oke, Mustaqim, setuju tak?
Setuju, Doktor.
Okay. I think Nur Amira, the last one. Nur Amira. I am apologize here because our class should be 1 hour, but I should take my child to the school because he will start his class at 1 o'clock p.m. So 15 minutes before starting his class, I should take him to the school. Okay. Okay. The last one, Nur Amira. Are you here?
Naam, Doktor.
Okay. Sila jawab.
I think that when we do research, interesting part, we can add a new knowledge, and discover something new. For example, when we do research, we analyze the problem and then we explore, review, analyze, and so on, so that can add a new knowledge to us. With
Yeah.
research also, we can do some improvement. For example, improvement like macam dulu we go another place with bicycle, and then we do improvement like nowadays we use car. Gitu. So what the interesting part is we can add a new knowledge and find something new.
Okay, thank you, Amira. I think it is the most interesting part here, generating new knowledge. Okay. This part is the reason behind we do knowledge, we do research. Okay. Generating the new knowledge motivated us to do research. Because we do research, we have a purpose, we have target, targeting a new knowledge. Like you read a book, you get knowledge. You write a book, you get knowledge. You do research, you get knowledge. So many ways to do to get a new knowledge. But the most important thing to get knowledge is doing research, because you will do many things, and at the end you have a result, and the result make you happy because you do many effort, you struggle in. Betul tak, Amira?
Betul, Doktor.
Okey lah, Amira dari mana?
Dari Kelantan.
Oh, Kelantan. You Malay
Naam.
Kalau Mustaqim dari mana, Mustaqim?
Saya dari Rauk, Pahang.
Oh, Pahang. Kau satu kampung dengan Iqbal
Iqbal dia jauh sikit, dia dekat Jengka tak silap.
Tapi tahulah satu sama lain
Tak kenal.
Okey, jadi the rest, Nur Alia dan yang lain, insyaAllah your turn will be in the next week insyaAllah so please take it in your concern every single week you have homework, and the homework you can find at the last slide of your class kuliah lecture. So if your lecturer in your class kuliah doesn't inform you about the homework, you should ask him, where is it, doctor? Because your homework will be discussed in the class tutor next week. Okay, faham ya?
Faham.
Okay, kita jumpa lagi. Okay, see you next time Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam. Thank you, Doktor.
Thank you.
Puan.
Thank you, Doktor.
Terima kasih, Doktor.